Hi, Bruce from Safari, and a shout out to LandCruiser 200 series owners that want to power 240 volt devices in their van. Have a look at this. And what we've got here is this pack here sits on the passenger side. Behind it, the fridge is running in, and the inverter over there is in the pocket on the side of the fridge. That's a 2000 watt. If it's we can put a 3000 watt in to drive the aircon in your caravan. All you're going to do is plug the lead from the caravan into this outlet here, and you can then run this at full power, 3000 watts. Let's take the lid off this and have a look. And we've done a double layer here. So firstly, replenishment, so important. This is 100 amps out of the alternator. We've got a solar controller at the back here, the turbo, the usual things. And we push this back, we've got cable ladders, 400 amp hours of lithium in there, full control in the front of this, full Victron, and it can all be online. We can give you the full support for it. How good is that?